When choosing a financial service for your business, one of the most important things to consider is its regulatory status. You want to be sure your money is safe and that the company operates with proper oversight. This brings us to a common question about Qonto. Is Qonto fully licensed and regulated? The short answer is yes, Qonto is a regulated financial institution. However, it's important to understand the specifics of its license, because it's not a traditional bank, at least not yet. Qonto operates as a licensed payment institution. This license is granted and supervised by the French financial regulator, the Autorité de Contrôle Prudentiel et de Résolution, or ACPR. This authorization means Qonto is fully compliant with European financial regulations and can offer a wide range of services, including managing deposits, enabling transfers, direct debits, and issuing payment cards. Now, a key difference between a payment institution and a full-fledged bank is the ability to lend using customer deposits. As a payment institution, Qonto cannot do this. Instead, your funds are safeguarded. This means they are held in segregated accounts at partner banks like Credit Mutual Arkia, Natixis, or Rothschild Martin Morrill. In the event one of these partner banks fails, your deposits are insured up to €100,000 by the Fonds de Garantie de Dépôts et de Résolution, the FGDR. This two-level security framework provides a strong layer of protection for your funds. So, while Qonto has operated successfully as a payment institution for years, the company has recently taken a significant step. In July 2025, Qonto officially filed for a full banking license with the ACPR. If approved, this license will allow them to expand their services into more robust lending, savings, and investment products, putting them on par with traditional banks. This move shows Qonto's commitment to growth and to providing a more comprehensive suite of financial tools for businesses. So to sum it up, Qonto is regulated as a payment institution with strong safeguards in place for your money, and they are now on the path to potentially becoming a fully licensed bank.